Hare Krishna, Srila Prabhupada ki Jai. Welcome to ISKCON New Mahavan Nourishing the Soul series. Today's shloka is from Grantharaj Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 3, Chapter 9, shloka number 11. Devotees see the Lord through their ears. This is the conversation between Lord Brahma and the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Krishna. Tvam bhakti yoga paribhavita hrutsaroja Tvam bhakti yoga paribhavita hrutsaroja Tvam bhakti yoga paribhavita hrutsaroja Asye shrute kshitapatho Nanunatha pumsam Asye shrute kshitapato Nanunatha pumsam Yadyadhiyata urugaya vibhavayanti Yadyadhiyata urugaya vibhavayanti Yadyadhiyata urugaya vidhavayanti Tattadvapuh pranayase sadanugrahaya Tattadvapuh pranayase sadanugrahaya Tattadvapuh pranayase sadanugrahaya Tvam bhakti yoga paribhavita hrutsaroja Asye shrute kshitapato Nanunatha pumsam Yadyadhiyata urugaya vibhavayanti Tattadvapuh pranayase sadanugrahaya Tattadvapuh pranayase sadanugrahaya. Translation by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. O my Lord, your devotees can see you through the ears by the process of bona fide hearing, and thus their hearts become cleansed, and you take your seat there. You are so merciful to your devotees that you manifest yourself in the particular eternal form of transcendence in which they always think of you. You are so merciful to your devotees that you manifest yourself in the particular eternal form of transcendence in which they always think of you. Tvam bhakti yoga paribhavita hrutsaroja Hasye shrute kshitapatho Nanunatha pumsam Yadyadhiyata urugaya vibhavayanti Yadyadhiyata urugaya vibhavayanti भावयन्ति तत्तद्वपुः प्रणयसे सदनुग्रहाय तत्तद्वपुः प्रणयसे तदनुग्रहाय. Please like and follow ISKCON New Mahavan on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube for your daily soul nourishment. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.